cold. It's snowing. We're on top of a bridge. And we're gonna throw paper airplanes off it.
Nice little toad.
This is how you make the best paper airplane. Yeah, most planes don't involve the half fold. And you go like this.
Oh, I see. Just to get a pre-fold to see where the middle is. I see. I like it. Usually I just do it falls out.
Falls out. That's a good strategy.
Yeah.
Continue folding.
Okay, and make another fold. I like it. I like it.
Okay. And you. Oh shoot! Don't want to take. It's not ready to take
Don't
on
drop
yet.
the drawing, yo.
Yeah.
All right.
And then you fold the wings down.
All right. One wing.
Use jumpy. You fold the other wing down.
All right. I like it.
And you have yourself.
That is so sophisticated. Looks like something from Star Wars, man.
I know. Ready? Harrison, we're just gonna drop a regular piece of paper off.
All right. So this is the regular piece.
As you can see,
All right. So went pretty far in my estimate. Okay, your turn.
Here's
We got the John right here. Henry about to throw the John.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Oh!
Alright, it's not a. It wasn't there. Oh, there goes the other one. Oh my god.
Oh, it's way out there.
Oh
Right.
yeah, look
Paper
at that.
airplane 0, regular 1.
It's this paper right here. It may be plain now. This thing's gonna look like freaking Mona Lisa in 5 seconds.
A few moments later.
We're going big time here. Alright. That's your first fold. Ladies, take notes. Alright. Men too, but mostly ladies, because I don't know. Now, we're going to do the same thing over here. I don't really know how I did it though, so something like that. Alright. Now, you got 2 nice folds. So what you're going to do is you're just going to, now you're going to fold it in half. Now you'll see where I'm going with this in 1 second. Alright. Ah, freaking splinter. Alright. Now, this is what's gonna happen. This thing, somehow. Alright, we're just gonna go like this for now. And then maybe fold it in half. And then, however we just did that, we're gonna fold it like so. Alright, basically, this is the John. Wait. Very strong. So what we're gonna do. Ah! Watch that. Ladies, that there, I throw a darn good looking motherfucking airplane, bro. And it's snowing. Do I look glamorous in the snow? Can they even pick up the snow? Does it pick up the snow?
Snow.
Dang, it is actually freaking frosty, bro. Like, my
No,
nuts are cold right now. Like, I got 2 ice cubes, baby. Our last video, the condom challenge. That John's really nice. If you like this video, which you probably did, if not, go screw yourself. Like it, share it, subscribe it, comment it, you know. Tell your family about your dog,
I'm gonna
your
fall off
cat.
the bridge by this wind.
If you didn't like it, again,
Don't dislike it.
just leave the channel. No, don't do that. We need all your support, but just
Don't dislike our videos. That's,
Yeah.
That's
But
windy.
we'll see you guys next time. It's been the Exploration Crew. Gabe, Henry. Oh my gosh.